Pharmacy and Poisons Board must intensify the crackdown on manufacturing and trafficking of counterfeit pharmaceuticals across the country. We have allocated resources to facilitate the regulatory body in delivering on this assignment. Our security agencies are at your disposal. A multi-agency approach is key in complementing your efforts in physical and online surveillance. Drugs must not kill our people alongside diseases. Partner with the counties on 50-50 basis, where we are able to give some stipend to the community health promoters to encourage them, to motivate them, to provide that much needed primary health care at the bottom of the pyramid.
In the financial year 2023-2024, 62% of resources allocated for the purchase of pharmaceuticals and 25% of nanopharmaceuticals were reserved for local manufacturers. The strategic allocation goes beyond financial considerations. It is an investment in the innovation and industrial spirit of the Kenyan people.
Na